Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode. Quick shot there of the newly renovated Stampede Park C train station. We're just on the outskirts of downtown here, heading to the Calgary Home Garden Show. So in front of us you'll see the newly renovated BMO Centre. Now this is a 1 million plus square foot convention space center. And we're going to pop in and see the show. So the show is happening every spring here in Calgary. We haven't been down for a few years, so it'll be interesting to see what kind of manufacturers and products that we have available. See if we can find something neat and interesting that we'll be able to use for restoring our old house. 13 plus degree today in Calgary, March 2nd. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to be looking for some specific things. The flooring system for the basement. We're going to be probably looking at some different roofing options, making hints at a change in the roof when we found some old pictures, which we'll share in a future video. And maybe even be looking at some pools. Bill's really dead set on having a pool. I don't know how that's going to work, but so come join us on the Calgary Home Garden Show.
I mean, that won't really work on our because this is a barbecue, so you have to reorient.
I love that. That black slate. That'd be nice on the roof. Is that the same stuff? Yes. Huh?
Yeah, it is. Afternoon, gentlemen.
Hello.
Do you have any questions there?
Okay, I think I want one of these. That looks like fun. That would help on the driveway too, right? Okay, is that deep enough for you? Will this satisfy your pool urges? 2 of them. That's a party.
It's like a $30, like 6 inches up.
Ew.
Some crappy candy. I want one like that. The middle one. Maybe top. 29 feet.
The water chemistry is easier
13
than
wide, or 22
so water
feet
does
wide.
not. The filters are easy. I usually go with a cartridge filter. You can use a couple of cartridge filters.
In the middle of all 3 containers. Everybody have their container.
Have it clear the driveway too.
0 down for 36 months.
Beds as far as the eye can see. More beds.
Yeah, no, it's. Oh, sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
I don't even like a netting.
Yeah, the only thing that's that's all I want to do. But when it's
For clearing the snow.
Yes, for clearing the snow. A little mini backhoe.
it's got to be fairly close because the wires for the motor and
Oh, there's more over there.
Now, touch. Right. And if you guys.
As I mentioned, we hadn't been to the show in a few years, and this show felt a little bit different. The majority of the space seemed to be allocated to beds, hot tub manufacturers, and local roofing companies. So a little bit of a different format than we've seen in previous years.
You could definitely do one of those.
Pretty. Okay.
Uneventful. Lots of nothing.
Home and Garden Show done.
Yeah.
And disappointed.
Disappointed.
Yeah. Not really what we were looking for. So anyways, thanks for joining us on this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe. See ya.